Oops, beauty, if you fell here in this video, you're wondering if Sonavel It Works. In this video I'm counting my testimony of 6 months after I did the full treatment with Sonavel. This is a video very fast and to the point, but it is very important that you watch until the end. That maybe Sonavel's company asked me to take this video here from YouTube because I'm telling the whole truth that I didn't see. Nobody here on YouTube speaking yet. Many people being deceived, saying that they paid and did not receive the pots at home, other people taking the copy of Sonavel, which does not work, and having serious health problems. At the end of this video, I will give you a very important warning that you need to know not to fall into a scam or even avoid losing your money. First I'll explain a little about what Sonavel is. Sonavel is a hearing support supplement designed to reduce inflammation of the brain and ears to repair damaged tissues that cause hearing problems. According to the manufacturer, Sonavel contains 8 natural ingredients that work together to combat vertigo, clean the ears to reduce hearing loss. Best of all is that Sonavel claims to be supported by real clinical research. In addition to improving hearing and brain health, Sonavel claims to support general health and well-being. Its ingredients can help support your immunity, cardiovascular health, digestion, and many other areas of your health that are frequently affected by age and exposure to elements. Sonavel reduces inflammation in the brain and ears. Inflammation in the brain and ears can cause the development of tinnitus, which is the constant sensation of tinnitus in the ears. All ingredients are natural and are what makes Sonavel a must-have supplement to help you prevent constant ringing in your ear. For a long time of my life I had been suffering with pains, ears, that caused other kinds of problems like inflammation, very strong headaches. Many times I could not even go to work, or even caused other kind of bad my health is not I letting sleep all night. Pains often increased by the night. I have tried some medicines passed by doctors that never solved anything. I always spent my money and never got any definitive result. After I got real, I stopped using these drugs with high values that didn't work and I didn't bring satisfactory results. I started researching on the internet something that could help me in relation to this. It was then that I came across the advertisement for the product Sonavel. I clicked on the link and went straight to the official website of their company that I'm here recording the screen. Soon I came across an explanatory page that took all my doubt about Sonavel. I followed doing the reading from beginning to end. I liked everything they said. Also come that it has already worked with thousands of different people who have used. Also come that the company responsible for Sonavel was giving a 60-day guarantee to the customer, i.e. if I had no satisfactory result I could ask for my money back. They also stated that Sonavel is totally natural, has no kind of contraindications, and that would solve my problem definitely. My eyes glowed. I began to feel firmness that was on the right track for the end of the ear pains and take back my health completely. I decided to give a vote of confidence to Sonavel and went to look at the kit. I ended up taking the 6-month kit to do the full treatment. Because I won the biggest discount, I nominate the same kit for you. Remembering that all this that I said has only on the official website of the product that I'm here recording the screen, I'll see if I remember to leave the link here below in the description of the video and in the first comment set to you. Do not try to buy this type of supplement on third-party website, not to fall into any kind of scam. Now you must be wondering if Sonavel worked for me or not. I mean yes. After using it every day for 6 months I now managed to get back my health completely. I no longer feel the pains of hearing, can lose more than 8 kilos, regained my self-esteem, recovered also my security, now having a more active life. I can say that was one of the best investment I've made in my life. Remembering that my first results was no kind of miracle, I started to see effect in my second week of use, then it was only improving more and more day. That's what I wanted to tell you. I'll see if I remember leaving this original site of Sonavel here below in the description of the video and in the first comment. Avoid any kind of scam or inconvenience. If you liked the video and the expression, leave your like. In case you have any doubt, speak here in the comment. I will try to reply. I'm sorry if I missed something. I'm not much accused. Videotaping. Stay with God.